Hey everyone! Today I'll show you step by step how to properly install a wall-mounted fixed shower head into a stud wall. Let's jump right in. Tools and materials needed: shower arm, drill and screws wall mounted, mounting board, pre-cut or cut to size, TIFI tape, thread seal tape, plastic pipe or copper, depending on your setup, compression nut and olive, pipe cutter, if trimming pipe, adjustable wrench spanner. Step 1: Mounting board setup. First, you'll need a mounting board. This gives the shower arm a solid fixing point inside the stud wall. The board usually comes in a set width, but you can cut it down to size if needed. Once trimmed, position it securely between the studs. Make sure the depth is correct. The front of the outlet connection should sit just behind the finished surface of your wall or tiles. That way, once everything is tiled and sealed, your shower arm sits flush and secure. Step 2: Connecting the pipe. Now let's connect the pipe from the shower valve. I'm using plastic pipe, so don't forget the insert that's essential whenever you're transitioning from plastic to metal fittings. Slide the compression nut and olive onto the pipe, push it all the way in, then thread it onto the union. Snug but not over-tightened. Step 3: Wrapping the threads. Next, we'll prepare the shower arm connection. Apply TIFI tape to the threads, wrap it around several times to create a good seal. Better to have plenty than risk a leak later. Now carefully screw the shower arm into the outlet. It may feel a bit stiff because of the tape, but that's normal. Keep threading until it's fully tight and secure. Step 4: Attaching the shower head. Finally, attach the shower head. Don't forget the rubber washer inside the fitting. This ensures a watertight seal. Screw it on by hand until it's snug. No need to over-tighten. Step 5: Finish and secure. Once your tiles and wall covering are in place, everything will be fully supported and locked in securely. That's all there is to it: a simple but solid installation of a fixed shower head. And that's it. You now know how to install a fixed wall-mounted shower head into a stud wall. This setup is reliable, strong, and leak-free if done right. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more DIY plumbing guides, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.